The MTN 8 edition of 2026-2027, that is the 19th edition of the Wafa Wafa Championship, is underway. And guess what? Two of the biggest teams are out. And the teams that remain, only one of them, of the top three remains. Will we have a fifth Orlando Pirates taking the MTN 8 championship, or will something else happen? It's still only the first leg of the semi-finals that have been played, so we'll talk about it and the latest developments as far as football is concerned. This episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. Hashtag bet with the best. Hashtag WSB. Junior, how are you?
Enhle kusunjani sister?
Ke-sharp wena?
Ngiyaphila mfethu.
Yeah. So the 19th edition of the MTN 8 has brought many surprises. I mean, in the past 4 seasons, Kaiser Chiefs did not take part and they came back and still got knocked out early on. And the teams that are remaining, any surprises there?
I'm not surprised izinto the ways ngakhona. Yabona asikhulume nje thingane ngoLorlando Pirates. Ngihlale ngisho mina Pirates strong mfethu inhlanhla from last season, but i-team yabo this season ayifani last season. Baqala i-season le a bit slow, similar like Sundowns, yabo a bit slow. I'm not too sure. Njoba ngisho if angithi fana negame nhlanhla mayidlala, if it's not broken angithi sihlale sisho why fixing it. I-situation ePirates ifana ne-situation yale nkulumo engisho. Baqala i-season without Relebogile Mofokeng, and Relebogile Mofokeng was a very important player. Pirates they've assembled top class players, individual and as a team as well. They are very structured, yabo. And compliment hlale ngisho mina abantu abasana ama-players. So Pirates qala i-season slow. I mean, I was not convinced ngegame yabo kuqala, official game. Between Premiership, MTN 8. Nakule weekend esibuya kuyo, I mean, I was not convinced how they won. But obvious kunezinto sibheka ama-dynamics ukuthi why bebangadlali kahle. I-ground iphulukwane, the old Peter Mokaba, I think it's terrible. I don't understand why. Ngiyazi, I heard kancane ngeruma ukuthi the new Peter Mokaba bayilungisa, but they should have maybe by Orlando, badlali two-leg Orlando because it carpet. So, well, who I am to judge? So, Orlando Pirates ayicala ngesizini kahle enhlanhla. Abadlalanga kahle if from the first way igame yabo. But the positivity ukuthi bathola ama-results. Mariamba nange-quality.
And it's an away goal.
Yeah, ihamba nange-quality yabona i-team. Ngoba both teams nayo phela isikhukhune terrible yo. Hence bengisho mina I don't understand assemble those players. I can give nje the guy odlala emuva uba no Cardoso lo kuya ku Chiefs, the defender, the white guy, captain yabo kusikhukhune. I mean, uye ngizomcompliment kule game yabasiza, experience, the way he's reading the game. Akadlali nje like similar njenge-H yakhe yabo, ayicombine i-H yakhe nale wadlala ngakhona. So Orlando Pirates never had a good game nabo. From the word go, uyabona asikhulume nge-first whistle.
Yeah.
I don't think I was convinced. Njengoba ngesikhukhuna abana natural ball playing. Ball players abana natural, and even in the midfield it was disappointing. At the back it's only this guy, former Kaizer Chiefs player, njengoba ngisho I think ubani uCardoso igama lakhe lifana ne
Because Cardoso
the defender is Kukune, what his name? Nyazu Cardoso is a coach sometimes.
is, yeah.
There's a defender come from Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Experienced player there. Igama lakhe lihlale seMartin wami.
Okay.
I forgot.
Mkochi, yeah.
Yeah, and
I see the guy that you're talking about.
yeah,
Ngiyambona.
ngiyazi ukuthi wena nawe
Yeah.
you are so informative. So obvious uzosibalekela ama-res.
Uzobuya. Yeah. Uzobuya.
So I think udlale kahle as experienced player. We covered their team. Paris never created so many chances. Kukune never created so many chances. But the quality was different at Orlando Pirates. I think they deserve, compared to both teams, Paris deserve. Yeah. I don't think it was an exciting game, boring game.
For
honestly.
Orlando Pirates, definitely not. And for Mamelodi Sundowns, I mean, Golden Arrows taking that goal and sort of having an upper hand to the next semi-final, which is the second leg. What do you make of that game? What do you think is missing at Sundowns? And I'm asking you this because there's many things that people are now starting to say with regards to Coach Cardoso, talking about like like how he's now wanting to do his own thing and not really sticking to the plan that he initially got when he got in, and that made him win games as much as he won those games, as much as he won the second star. And people are saying now that Segaba exposed because the key players that were there when Rulani was there, the key players that he had before, are now, having difficulties on the pitch, and now he has to adjust with his own team, and the cracks are beginning to show. Is that your observation?
Hlanhla is not a good thing always point the coach. Accent right.
Yeah.
It's not a good thing. Michael Cardoso just brought this second star in at Sundowns after Pitso Msimon.
Yeah.
And he lost the Betway Premiership. And in Sundowns, we all know in South Africa, with the priority, it Betway Premiership in the Star Champions League. But Masivanje realistic. They are no longer a ball-playing team. Like, they are not convincing how they win.
What makes them not a convincing?
It's very easy, the identity. I-club ngendlela edlala ngayo. Angithi bayabasana ama-player according to indlela ebadlala ngayo. I-Sundowns is a system team.
Yeah.
They don't rely on individual. But the more we win Nhlanhla, people think, yabo, kufana nase-Europe. It's very, in Europe, they study you. Phela Paris, the reason that so many debt they extend quality players. It's because they wanted to compete with Sundowns or beyond Mamelodi Sundowns. So yonke team edlala Sundowns mawungabheka ne-Chiefs nabo badrawile last season nabo. I think it was 3 le esibuya kuye last week ne-Kaizer Chiefs since last season. So baplay nama-team against Sundowns. And I think it downfall ka-coach. Let players bengamelanga let it go. You need individual brilliance in your team. If system yakho as a coach okanye plan yakho as a coach ayisebenzi, you need individual brilliance. Okay. You need to give players italente labo ukuthi bazi-express and confident. But i-team yakhe nabo abekho convincing, bebangekho convincing. Even last season they were not convincing. I think that's the reason why they lost the Betway Premiership. They were not convincing. Sure. Yes, I stood up for them because of the quality individual abanayo. Players, they sign high-profile players, experience as well. Each and every season they compete with Champions League. And they were champions of Betway Premiership 8 times. So I got that benefit of that, but not convincing how they play. So coach this season got it season poor. Marumo Kalans, he was lucky to get the Amar results.
The draw.
And the same player, I don't think they rely on him. I'm trusty. Ibonagele umqalisile last week against Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think it did anything wrong umkhulisi. Kule game le esibuya go over the weekend umqale benchini. He brought overs.
Yeah.
And umkhulisi waqala on the bench. So i-team yakhe ayikho convincing. Winile ku Marumo ku TS Galaxy. It was not convincing. Individual brilliance alomchita. I know ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns player umkhulisi but I'm trust. Lamchita lo over evergreen. Amfaka 2 minutes, he showed up. He showed up and it's disappointing coach the way I'm treating ngakhona yabona. Nomntana wakho mangaba ubonisa ifate kuye, I don't think uzokuhlonipha yabona. I'm talking about a biological child, whether intombazana umfana. Even a wife or husband, mawungabonisa ifate kuye, izona return that way. Uzo respond that way with shock for I don't care. So coach Sundowns Mamelodi, I think bamnike the mandate ukuthi you must get the Champions League ne Betway Premiership.
All right.
Ukuthi uthola kanjani, it doesn't matter. Yes, super fortunate to get the star. But must be indlela uRulani bekadlala ngayo Pitso, the way bekadlala ngakhona is no longer the Sundowns identity, because they pretend sometimes bashayela izandla. Nami kunalabo engibashayela izandla khona ngithi hayi badlalile. The next coming week is no longer convincing a team. unokuqalela nge-new experiment yabona akuqalele njenge-team that is rusty phela ukutraina nhlanhla ne-match fitness asifani
Yeah.
and I think i-reason u-experimenta too much ucoach lento okudlala uyayikhansela makafika eteamini and let go bona bolotch bebazomnceda yabona abomabhena lo mfana lo ofika waziprove manje le umaseko ku World Cup kuhlalele inhloko uhlala on the bench it doesn't take out the best out of players that's and allow it doesn't want individual brilliance at coach and as a team I don't think it's a coach that believe with us and less ball rotation even positivity I don't think is that type of a coach akanankinga ukuthi we play maximum football it's unfortunate ukuthi lawo player lawo bona yenza bona akusukuthi coach and mangabe ama results awaveli ngendlela ebekayifuna ngawo those players will sit on the bench just that ukuthi angeke akhiphe nje team yonke that's my belief yeah
Sure. That's a mouthful with regards to the coach. And I'm a player, Warner. Did they rise up to the occasion? Because you're not going to put everything on the coach.
Yeah.
You're pinpointing ama mistakes, ayenze coach, amaningi. But ama players, don't they want this thing as badly as any other player wants another trophy in the cabinet?
yeah nhlanhla players nabo bomele bathathe i-responsibility yabo but ama players tanta into mangaba babonisa faith kuwe okanye
They'll return the favor.
yeah iqala changing room yabo senior players I know ukuthi career yabo lapho they don't have to do that yabo obviously your life will be cut short but thinking enkulu ukuthi players you need them as a coach they need you it's a give and take ama players they used to be coached by Rulani Mkwena
Okay.
sign more or less it was him who identified mhlambe ne-technical team yadlala indima but the core it was him who identified ukuthi ngifuna lona the reason ngibafuna indlela yokudlala yami so now makufika leyo coach they need to adapt yabo even if they win I don't think they were happy nabo ama players now you perform this week same coach uzokuthatha kubeka standing yabo uqala kuba ne limited game time lelo player mawulinida angeke likufake likulo likunike lento oyifunayo because I can tell you nhlanhla the coach showed faith kulomjito umthiba na weekend uyenzile as far as my understanding is second best striker if not the first ngiyazi uLeo ufika kuLeon ufike last year last season ku mid isizini yophela okay second top goal scorer uyamnika benefit of the doubt uyamtrusta but if akakuniki niki sokanye uyalimala the second option it's Rhinos is provile ku Sundowns from Club World Cup and stuff but you premiership score kuma game vital now you bring Mthiba and then we go Rhinos on the bench and the whole game low coach experiment low coach akaqali ngo-Rhinos kuphela yabona it's umkhulisi umenzeni coach quality player I mean it's been there Sundowns when they won several league
Titles.
yeah Champions League if not mistaken mabo in Champions League I think was there
Bekangafika umthibi.
umkhulisi as coming as a sub Champions angisho
The first one. Oh,
I'm talking about umkhulisi
Mkhulisi. The first one.
Champions League yes he was there
Okay.
Mkhulisi, I'm not talking about Mthiba.
Yes,
Mkhulisi,
yes,
he was there, I know. So Mkhulisi, not many players that they were there. I know Mshishi was there, so, but Mkhulisi was there. The evergreen, the attitude, grand, discipline, dedicated. Umchitala ngikhuluma nabantu abaclose naye. Ukhula no Promise Mkhuma baba promote bonke. The boy was Sekaslam. He was there. And I never had any disciplinary issues. Every time umfaka second half udlulisa 3 games uyamfaka uyakunika. Never had, okay wenzeni as a coach yabo so nginokubona nje experiment and it's shocking nhlanhla and yes ama player njoba ngisho iyaya nakibo but the body language mhlamba kusonke umuntu oyibonayo I think sometimes players nabo banesandla to return whatever coach ayenza kiwe ilento ukuthi akuyafana coach yabo and tina this is not how we play and siyazama whatever lento ifunayo ayisebenzile and sizo return favor senze lento ifuna, but was now you're not going to get the best out of us. So yes, players banesandla,
Yeah.
but I don't think it's a matter of quality. Into abayenza purposely.
All right, and like you saying, Guti, Orlando Pirates played, but they did not play to the best of their ability. They did not show up like you would have expected them to show up. Right now, they're playing against a former co-coach of Kaiser Chiefs, and he's got other coaches. One of the coaches that you highly rate, which is Upapi Zotwani, and looking at how they performed over the weekend, what do you say is lacking with Skukune and yini bangayenza to actually get it right so that possibly in the second half, in the second leg of the semi-final, they can beat Pirates, if it's a possibility?
It's unfortunate. I feel sorry for Papi. There's not much that he can do.
Sure.
Yeah, it's just that Sifangamvunye. If Papi is there, if the team lose, baluse bonke. If the team win, they benefit all of them.
Sure.
But I'm very tight mina nama director wabo. I think nje abantu they like ama director, people can testify it. Bathanda ukusiza abantu. But mina ke I was fortunate to even go to the offices. Yabona sit with ulomchita lo uJonas, the CEO, and also Simon. Yabo abantu abanenhliziyo open. And ngalo compliment to that family mabotone and bamamela ama advice, make no mistake, especially abantu abakule game. Yabo, it's just that obvious thina ebholweni sinobo stud yabona. We want ukuthi sibe basenzela ama favor. So Nhlanhla, the problem is not, I think for me, bring the coach at Kaizer Chiefs, mhlambe it was a matter of ufike ku top 3 ebhetwe premiership with those type of players. And yes, true, ufikile ucoach, mara mele sibheke iclub the way idlala ngakhona. Lento le mfethu angeke understand wonke umuntu, mara mele uphinde understand, yabo. Ama results phela fura abantu phela, yabona. Results fura everyone, the country ke singaspini imoto I country yonke. Anyway, akusi problem who I am. Yabo, ucoach lo obuya Kaizer Chiefs is an international coach, ngamagama foreigner. Has done well with co-coach le Durban City to ukuletha Kaizer Chiefs la ikhona. But uyayibeka nje iqiniso ukuthi hey kahle it was a mountain to climb. Statement usikhiphe nje baseka lapha. Mina ngeke understand ukuthi coach good none. I understand because Skukune they've got this tendency ngikhuluma ngama director to sign former players, especially abuya ku Chiefs, abuya ku Pirates. Ngamanye amagama ngizama ukukutshela banama expectation. I know them, I know them.
Okay. And so you speak about the situation there with Batatama former player, and then I'm a former player, they've got expectations, and when they get there and then they don't live up to those expectations, it becomes a problem. Is it a strategy basically that you feel Guti they should get younger players and develop them as Sekhukhune United, or
Nhlanhla, Justice Sekhukhune sine ABC Municipal League. Yabo? Sine TTC team. Yabo, bring those players. You're investing a lot. We invested a lot in good development. Bahlala eClubhouse and stuff. We had one of the boy wethu, Junior Kanye Football Academy, amsigna da. And ngabona how they set up labo, they invest a lot, especially ku development yabo. Like njoba ngisho kune ABC Municipal League, kune DTC. And bahlala eClubhouse. So ngamanye amagama, for me it's pointless to go akunankinga former players that can help you. But you can't go and fetch a former player to Pirates or Chiefs. I mean, now 1 season umambisi. And you bought him. Okanye noma ngabe isizi free agent, salary is big. You understand? Abanye kunale phela ifootball kunalama contract that appearance fee.
yes,
Depending profile lomuntu. So now for me it's waste. Nenye into, bring that guy coach, cause mangimbheka mina I don't think he's familiar with our own players. Ngikhuluma ngase South African players. Ngibone ngendlela nje idlala ngakhona isikhukhune play. The lineup I know mhlambe wenze ngendlela yakhe is no akusile lineup edlala last season. We understand ngibonile abomnari let go. We understand okay sharp letting go abomnari bring mixed experienced players, quality experienced players who are currently active and abazokusiza as a coach and mix with good quality youngsters because I can tell you I'm a director they invest in football in Atlanta they don't mind to take out money ngiyakutshela mina ngitrust yabo hence ngisho they like 12 people even banokunceda nabantu abangekho la mina I know yabona so uJonas mina as yena CEO yabo benginokuxoxa nabo uyawathatha ama advice kimbe ukuthi bekumele balandele coach wase South Africa I think it was a big mistake to let say Makhu ngiyazi kube ne issue nyana mhlambe singawazi sonke but it's a big mistake okanye manilethe uPapi uPapi Podela's main head coach he's familiar with those players yabo so i-team yabo bekuzoba ne redeem i-team yabo mayidlala nhlanhla my point akuna redeem man yabo they never created chances badlala nePirates aba badlala home bona ePeter Mokaba abayitravulanga iPirates nothing not
even in a compact stadium
nhlanhla Pirates noma ngabe beyinga deserve inhlanhla ukuthi like if we can say both teams ipe be deserve Pirates yeah serious because bona they uyabona ukuthi ground is not playable le bumpy yabo kune ball eshaw China nje la shay bump la laphuma omunye umuntu angacabanga ukuthi iplanda ku China no le ball shay bump masol bona but iPirates they try ukuthi lasihlaleni because they are ball playing team akusinto abayifostayo ngalela langa ebe bayifosta ngalelo they are naturally wanting to play
but it's Kukune should they not play better because that's where they used to play
uyayizwa nhlanhla it goes with the coach uyayenza Jimmy na do you emphasize that ube ne pre-season coach yabo those type of bekumele aba challenge early before I think ufike 3 weeks before there or I can't remember, can't recall properly okanye 4 weeks before bekumele atshele technical team ukuthi no wait ngine season ngila South Africa okanye ngina 2 season manje ngifike noNabi yabo 2 season can I get 1 2 3 4 isikhukhune they buy people they buy players I don't think bangaba nenkinga to bring 4 players okanye 3 that will help him mar now my say so ibuyela kuye ngoba bona they won nhlanhla I remember ku Betway Premiership they lost 1 game I think they lost kuMazulu they won 2 games under the coach but how they win angekho convincing
is it not the same as how Kaizer Chiefs would win last season
that's why it's a similar before let coach ibhekeni futhi how coach how the team play so mhlambe nama directors athe sifuna ama results this guy can give us results ama players omsaba is an international coach uzenza lento esishoyo ngeke enze friendship with players and yeah ngenzeka ngaleyo ndlela
all right and okay, cool. There is the second leg that's coming up. Because I wanted us to touch on like AMA players, because there's been movements, but I think sizokhuluma ngayo next week. Because there's been movements. Bongani Zungu has been linked with a club in India. Utito has been linked with 2 clubs, one which is Pyramid FC and another team in Bahrain. But we'll talk more about that next week because like Sishawe is Kati. But let's get into the predictions of the second leg of the semi-finals for all the teams that are remaining there. Let's start with Mamelodi Sundowns and Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows and Sundowns.
Okay, ngizoyipredict aliwe ngikhona ngoba kumelanga umuntu hostayo wenhlex iSundowns izoyina le game 3-1.
Sure, 3-1.
Yeah, iSundowns they were not bad but just they are no longer the same but they've got quality players.
Sure.
And experimenting in starting 11 sack and yeah izoyina le game 3-1 Arrows yes they leading 1-0 Sundowns capable of scoring 1 goal which is I believe was a first half 1 goal and they're capable to get 3 goals as well but 3-1 yes uyibhale phansi ezenzeka.
Okay, so big temperature nesikhathi
nalama light ungakhohlwa kube khona eli1 leyanhle.
All right, let's get into the other game which is Orlando Pirates. They are going to be in action with Sekhukhune again. Your prediction for that game?
Orlando Pirates Atlanta they will easily win this game coming to Orlando Stadium or Arena.
Yeah.
it's a mountain to climb fit. Otherwise mele upake ibhasi amagama we must play low block, mele ube ne-plan. You can't play low block from
Without a
first whistle until 90. We talk about 90 minutes. I'm at 33. It's going to be so difficult. Manage leso sikhathi. And the Pirates phela ama-defending champions. They will want to keep this trophy. Noma ngabe they lost to Relay, they've got quality players.
Yeah.
Mfethu lapha-ke i-pitch, I'm sure they sometimes train there. Hayi Nhlanhla kuzoba nzima mfethu, and a heavy score here.
Sure.
Even 4 ne-5 ingavela. Ngiyazi ukuthi
5-0 or 5-1.
yes, possible 5-1 ne-5-2 khona 4-1 Enhlanhla iPirates yokora la mfethu, because I can tell ilo yodlala ilo block. I don't think kuzoba nama intention coach to pound. Ngambona lo coach man, maka coach Kaizer Chiefs. Akusi coach that is believing, akusumuntu offensive. Both yena ne coach yakhe lebe badlala. I mean, honestly speaking, uzofuna ukuhlala. Yabona mhlambe hoping ukuthi we might get a set piece and punish Orlando Pirates. Maybe downfall Orlando Pirates set piece and Sundowns, both of them. But noma ngabe lokho kwenzeka, Pirates ikora 4-5 uzoyibona. Nayo ibhale phansi izoyenzeka.
So are you saying final kuyoba Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns?
Yeah, Pirates kuzoba ilo final kuzoba Pirates and Sundowns Nhleks izoba kanjalo, and that's my take. Yeah, honestly.
Okay. All right. Ngizokubuza next week ukuthi izowina ubani. Ngoba bosofuna ukumtshela, or do you want to go that way?
I think ngitshele mara kancane yeah.
All right. Okay, cool. And that is it for this week. We unpacked the MTN 8, and next week we'll get into the MTN 8. We'll speak about the transfers that are making rumors, and we'll talk more about everything that's happening in football as far as South African football is concerned. Thank you so much for joining us. This was the Junior TV. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #Bet with the best. #WSB. We'll see you again next week. Thank you.